Good day, you all. This is Jacob, the face behind most of the solar videos and electrical videos you see on all my social media platforms, from Facebook to Instagram, TikTok, what have you. Today, I'm doing this video for something else, especially. I target to the quote the opportunity. What would we call an opportunity? But the first meaning I found is a time or set of circumstances that makes it possible to do something. Now I have here a time or set of circumstances that makes it possible to do something. But that brings us to the reason why this is target opportunity. Well, there's always a motive behind everything. Once I had this phrase, find a problem, create a solution. Well, it works a lot. Like this day, the solar installation we do now is because of the difficulty in having constant electricity. So the solution came solar installation, and we found it very, very helpful for many of those who has installed solar. It was at least a very good solution. So find a problem, create a solution. What then is the problem? Time. We always move, and we always do our best to move along with time. Along the line, we will gain from time, lose to time, and possibly take advantage of time. Irrespective of which, circumstances has changed how many flow with time. Circumstances like age, health, and most of all, finance. That I would say is a problem. Many of you will agree to that. What then is the situation around this problem? We live in the computer age. We are now living in the computer age. And so to say, almost everything around us are digitalized. Everything is computer, computer, computer. Even most of the time, we have smart homes whereby you have to, it's all digitalized. Our phone, our car, our jobs, and countless of the things in our daily life. I've even seen some, I've even seen a toothbrush that is, everything is actually digitalized, so to say. The choice then is either we move along with time to gain from the changes that is happening with time, or to actually take advantage of time. It is blend into actually what is happening. I believe no one here want to lose to time. We want to stay in that back age where computer is not working. Well, we can adapt, but we want to take advantage of time. So what then is the solution? In every application in our life, ranging from day-to-day activities like work, healthcare, learning, and so much more, we have to learn to adapt to the computer age and the changes it's bringing to our time. So how is this possible? Well, in many aspects of our life, this opportunity will always come. And because of the circumstance, like we mentioned before, we may not be able to take advantage of time. So I'm starting a learning stream in computer courses from basic to advanced. And also, if those who are willing to, I'm also be doing a learning stream in some field courses too. So for those who will find the need to learn courses such as Microsoft Word, Excel, CorelDRAW, or maybe some little programming courses like the basic ones like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, or you want to push forward to learn courses like C Sharp, C++, you know them, and courses like robotics or artificial intelligence, or electrical installation or solar installation, which is my main field. I'll be picking some selected days in every month, and for those selected days, based on your support, I will do it for free, based on your support. Since this is a streaming video, your like, your share, your comment will go a long way as your support. So I'll be doing this for free for 1 hour for those selected days, and 1 hour for the class, and I'll be dedicating 1 hour for questions and answers from anyone who wants to ask questions. So the benefit of this is that you get to learn some of all these things for free, which means if I'll be posting it on my TikTok, be able to learn for free. So all I need to do is just to click on the like button, the follow button to help me get to do this continuously for free. Well, if I'm not getting that, which means you can also request for courses one on one, and maybe I'll be tagging a price to it then, but I'll try to make it as cheap as possible. But the opportunity is this: learn computer courses, learn how to interact with your computer by learning all these courses available for you to be able to use the computer now. Many of us in our school, in Africa here, it's not really common for them to have computers in schools, but many of you outside Africa, I think many schools in Africa are beginning to use digital learning. So we learn to adapt to them, especially you parents and you that are working. Many of your offices are also going digital. So please, this opportunity is for those who are willing to learn. Then, if you also want to join in those who will be able to teach others, if you can do it for free, it'll be good. So I'll do it for free for as long as your support is coming. So this is going to work. So please like my video, support and share so I can continue to produce more of this. Do have a nice day. Thank you. Once again, like, support and share.